I'm recording.
Oh, hello.
Hello. As you can probably see, this isn't Edinburgh like we thought we'd start the videos. We did spend 2 days in Edinburgh, but it was very awkward to vlog there, so we went to the zoo and did stuff like that. Here's some clips, probably.
Hello, good morning. It is currently 4:56 AM. Not too bad of a time, but a time of which I am never normally up. And this sucks. But it's for good reason, because we're going to Scotland. And by we, I mean me and Honor, because I'm going to pick her up right now, much to her dislike. So I was going to do a whole intro this morning like I normally do, but nah, it's too early. Joy, I don't know. We'll see how this goes for cinematics. Peace.
Currently, we are... Where are we?
You looked at the lake.
We're currently in the Highlands. I shall put a photo of the lake here. Here we go.
The lock.
Lock. The photo of the lock. We're also going to camp here tonight, so that'll be fun. It's very windy. That's the plan. I shall do some cinematic shit. It'll be great. Cool. Yeah. Along this part for the next few days. Today here, wherever here is, and then
towards Skye.
Yes, we're going to go to the very top of Skye to camp another day. We have a hotel booked for the second day. Ah, so loud. And then probably another day of camping in Skye or down by Oban or something like that. So sure, we'll bring you along and film some shit. Hell yeah. This is really pretty. Like, there you go, there's your tour. I really want to get the drone up, but it's so windy. So now I've looked around a little bit. We're now going to shoot some photos of Honor in a dress that she made, and I'm going to do it as a POV thing. So I have a GoPro on my chest. That's going to be its own video. That'll come out at some point, either before or after this. I don't actually know, because I don't know when I'm going to make these. So, show you the dress, and then to GoPro mode. Yeah. Ready to go. There's Honor in a dress. She's wearing a coat at the moment. This is probably peaking like crazy because I don't have a microphone on. Who knows? But, got a GoPro on. GoPro time. There you go. The POV photo shoot's done now, and I'm wearing a tiara, as you do. But, yeah. Honor's all good. Yeah, I don't know when that video's going to be up, but if it's already up, I'll link it up here. If not, probably the next video. Let's go get you changed, because you're probably freezing.
I'm very cold.
Okay.
Yes.
Ow!
I told you!
Right, see you in a bit. So, we're considering camping in this very spot here. Like, it looks very nice. I'll show you some B-roll of whatever this place looks like. So we're going to test it out by, we've got marshmallows and mini barbecue fire to keep us warm. Let's fire the wound.
I got one now.
Who's bleeding?
Anything? Oh yeah. Fire!
That's fire.
That is fire.
They smell so fake and I love
They
it.
smell so American, you cannot tell me otherwise.
So while I was filming that, we put the tent up. We decided to camp in the end. The fire sort of tempted us, it was quite nice. Just got the little air mattress in there. And this is our view for the morning. There we go. And then bed. So my job now is to pump up the bed. Fun. There we go. Air mattress. And there's home for the night. Not too shabby. That's not too bad at all. All back and ready to go.
I'm really glad we decided to like camp tonight.
Yeah,
We
so
were
am I.
so on the fence, we were so like indecisive,
Yeah,
but
I'm glad we did too. It's gonna look like sunrise will be just over there in front of our tent. It's so nice.
this is so nice.
Hate the midges though, because I've been bitten already. So I smell like bug spray. It's a shame I can't do a star trail photography. So I think that'd be insane. Like this, you can see the sunset's good as well because the clouds are
You can really
pink.
see, yeah.
There you go, pink clouds, sun setting over there. Oh, it's so nice. Cool. Right, I might update you later, but if not, night.
Good morning. It is now like 6 AM. That was the coldest night's sleep we've ever had, I think. This is currently our morning view. That's a bit nice. That kind of makes it a bit better. My tent wasn't. That is a person that is not used to camping.
There we go. Breakfast done. You're a bit happier now. Coffee.
Coffee.
And now we're going to go for a paddle in the little Jessie Beach bit over here. Just to something. But I'm too tired. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning.
7 now.
We've been awake since like 4 and up since 6, so view's nice though. It makes it kind of worth it, I guess.
Done. Camping complete. That was actually very nice, and I hope you enjoyed that random drone footage as well. So we met a cat.
Pudding is my favourite cat in the world.
It's just a travel cat from a van that's just over there.
I love her
So yeah.
so much.
Right, we are going to Skye now.
Yes.
So I might do a GoPro time lapse of the journey since I've now got the screw. But yeah, we'll do that and then update when we're there. Peace.